Have you ever been on a date with a woman?
Growing up in Maasai, dates are there, but we can't just say dates. It is not a love affair. When we are young boys, we used to go around the villages. There's a house for the girls. So when we go as a group of young men, we just go and bash the door. You go inside, do sex with any woman you find in the bed. The next morning, the elders will be so much happy of you because they'll be saying these young boys are transitioning to be men.
And how do the women feel about this?
The women will feel a little bit embarrassed. Most of them are happy and others are not happy.
I mean, I guess that 96-year-old woman, did it ever happen to her?
Yes.
Can you ask her how she felt after that night? So she felt like she did a duty.
Yeah.
The practice that we were talking about, a lot of people won't be happy about that one.
This is a practice of many years down the line, not today.
It doesn't happen anymore?
It doesn't happen anymore.
Why didn't you say that during the interview, that you guys don't do it anymore?
The women in this society are not given that priority as living things, but they are subdued as children. So that's how this practice came up. But now in my generation, this is the things we are trying to stop.
You wouldn't then go the next step and condemn the prior men's actions?
The previous actions have gone, and we respect it as a history of the Maasai people, where they were coming from. Even if I condemn it right now, it will not do any effect because it is something that have gone. So if justice have to be there, maybe it will be coming in many years to come.
So justice for you is change?
It's change from the tradition and leaving some and going to the new ones. Yeah.